YouTube? It's your boy J Techhead. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Samsung tablet T580 60 gig version. It really works with most of the tablets as this version here. So as you can see, the screen is now turning on. Even when I press the power button, no matter how long I hold it for, it still ain't coming on. Press the home button, same thing. So let's dive in, let's go in and fix this here. What you need is a flathead screwdriver, something similar to what I got. You're gonna need tape, Scotch tape, or a sizzle just to cut the tape. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you do, you take this flathead screwdriver right above where they say micro SD slot. There's a part here where you just squeeze it in. As you can see, the screen is lifting up. See it? It's lifting up. We'll go around. Don't be too rough, guys, because some of the key components, y'all might break them, and we don't want that. You got it halfway open, you stick your hands in and it should be easy to come right off. There you go. So this is how it looks on the inside. All right. So this is the thing. First thing first, what you do is this is here, right here, it's the power source to where it's connected to the batteries. And this spot here is connected to the screen. I'm sorry, this part here is connected to the battery. And this one here is connected to the screen. So we'll lift the one with the battery up first. It's a little piece of tape that's there. You can take that off. It's like a small little tape there. See this piece here? Be careful with it. So you must lift it up, and then you pull this out, right out. See it come right out. So it's always good to take the battery out first, and then we'll take the screen out next. So yeah, this little piece here, you can take out the little tape that came with the tablet. And now you can leave it if you want to, but I'm just taking it out because it's easier for me to put back. So these are the only two things that you guys need to remove. This one here's for the screen, and the small one for the battery. So you can see here, right? Okay, so I'm not sure why this always happens to these tablets, but there's something Samsung not doing right. And these things are very expensive. So this is what you do. You take the screen, you put it right back in. Because they get loose, that's the reason why they stop working. We'll put the battery back in. Go right under here. Lift this up. Put down the lever. That's to lock it in. The battery slot one is not the issue. It's always the screen. All right. So now let's turn it over. Let's see if we get power to come. Let's see. Top. Okay, it's not working here, so I need to charge it. See if it works if I charge it. So yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, another way you can tell that the tablet still work, right? Knowing that it's just not the screen. I mean, that is the screen that's giving the problem. That's the issue. You have like just the power source, like a power charger, a power bank. I mean, where you connect it into the tablet. You hear the sound. You can hear it charging, right? So when you connect it. Let's do it again. So that means it still works. So like I said, it's the screen that's the issue. So let's take it out. So let's do it again. We'll remove the battery slot one. Move the monitor one, the screen. Okay, now let's put the screen back. Let's put the battery in first. Make sure you go all the way in. If not, it won't work. Like, put the lever down. See, there's a lever here. You come up and then go down. And here's the screen. You put it in. And make sure you go all the way in, guys. If not, it's not gonna work. All right. Okay. So now let's test it. Let's see what it come back on. See what it come on. Hold the power button. Voila, here you go. See, guys? So this tablet is for my brother. I don't remember the password to this thing, but something like this. Not, I'll figure it out later. So I was just trying to show you guys how to fix this. Let's see. Oh. All right, see, so you guys see it works, right? So now, let's talk about the Scotch tape. Remember, I was telling you, you're gonna need a piece of Scotch tape on each one. Actually, just the monitor one. Take it here. So the one for the screen, you just put like a little piece. It's not 100% 100% fixed, but it help out. As long as you guys know how to reopen the tablet itself and then just reconnect everything back. So this is something you probably have to deal with, or depending on how you take care of your tablet. So if kids, you know, if you have your kids around and they have it, most of the time this might happen to them again. So make sure you put all the way in, squeeze it. See? Let me take this out one more time. Okay, let's put it back in. You don't have to do this twice, but I like to do it just to make sure. Click, click. See it come back on again. Yep, there you go, it still works. Now, let's turn it over. I mentioned the scissor part. I guess I didn't need scissors. It was easy to rip because of the Scotch tape. Just a tape dispenser in there. Sorry about that. All right. Let's put it back together. What I do, I like to start from the bottom. They all snap in. It's all snap, which is good. It's easier than the iPad and other tablets. Oops, sorry about that. As you can see, it works, guys, see? And pretty much that's how you fix the Sm-t580. There you go. Okay, all of them clipped in. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Perfect. All right, guys, have a good one. Y'all be safe.